Hey guys, today we have Nitish and he is having total 2.5 year of experience in Java, Spring Boot and microservices domain. And those want to give same framework interview, please fill out the form below in the description. So now let's get started. Hey, hello Nitish, how are you?
Yeah, good, Faizan. How are you?
Yes, I'm also good. Shall we start?
Yes, start.
Okay, so Nitish, can you please introduce yourself and your recent project in brief?
Yeah, so my name is Nitish Kumar. So I
Hmm.
completed my graduation in Sastra University from year 2023, and I'm a Java full stack developer with around 2.5 years of experience, primarily focusing on building backend system using Java, Spring Boot, and microservices, and also front end using React.js. So in my previous project, I worked on a project involving modernizing legacy application. So mainly focusing on improving the performance and reducing the response time. So my roles and responsibilities was analyzing the existing flow of the application, if there is any performance improvement, finding out and present it to the architects. And after presenting it, we'll get approval for the next design. So proposed design. So after getting the approval, we'll implement the new modernized application, I mean API,
Mm-hmm.
and also writing the test cases for it.
Okay, okay. Okay, so as you
Yeah.
said, you are working on performance and all. Can you tell me what you have done recently, what you have improved in your system?
So Yeah, so in my legacy application, so it was before Java 8 actually. So
Mm-hmm.
there was so many scope to improve the performance. Like
Mm-hmm.
the DB calls were happening in the for loops, and there
Mm-hmm.
was n plus one problems. No catching was there. So we
Okay.
found out all the issues and improved this.
Okay, okay. Now you guys have upgraded to what version?
21.
Okay, okay. So, Nitish, let's say there are two integers, A and B. Okay.
Mhm.
I'm saying integer I and TEGR, like wrapper class.
Okay,
Integer
okay,
A
okay.
is equal to 100, integer B is equal to 100. Okay.
Okay.
If we do A is equal to B, will it
Mm.
return true or false?
Actually, it will return false. Even if the value same also, the reference will be different, right? The double equal to
Mm-hmm.
checks for reference.
A reference. Okay.
Yeah.
So actually, in wrapper classes, integer values between -128 and 127 are cached by the JVM.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So when we do a integer a is equal to 100 and integer b is equal to 100. So basically, these are pointing to our cached value
Okay, okay,
because
okay.
100 comes between -128 and minus
Mm.
127, right? So in this case,
Yes.
both refer same cached object. And A is
Okay,
equal to
okay.
is equal to B is true. It should not
Oh,
true.
okay.
You said correctly because a double equals checks a reference, but in our case, they are referencing
Equals.
to the
Okay.
cached object. But
Mm-hmm.
after 127, since I said A is equal to 200 and B is equal to 200, so these will be false because 200 is not in the cached objects that wrapper
Okay,
classes
okay.
provides. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, Nitish, what are immutable classes and how can we create them?
So, yeah, for immutable classes, like, for example, if you make a constructor as a private, so
Mm-hmm.
so actually immutable classes means we cannot extend it,
Mm-hmm.
and we can only using private constructor you can make it as immutable, like final private,
Mm-hmm.
and also static also is an immutable class.
Mm-hmm. Immutable means like we cannot change it, as you said.
Yeah, we cannot
Strings are,
I mean, we cannot extend it. Yeah,
yeah, yeah,
strings are
strings are immutable, right?
yes, correct.
Okay, okay. So, let's say we have created an immutable class, right? But we put a immutable object inside that class.
Mm-hmm.
So,
Mm.
what will happen?
So immutable object inside the immutable class.
Immutable class. For example, we have created an immutable class and there are fields like integer A, integer B, and we have also
Mm-hmm.
put an array or array list as
Mm-hmm.
a instance field, right?
Okay.
So will this be a immutable class or like,
Yeah, yeah, it'll work actually.
okay, so it will be a truly immutable class?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. So like, have you heard about defensively copy uh,
Defensively
in
copy.
immutable classes?
No, no person.
Okay, so if we are actually what happens is if we are using mutable objects like list
Mm-hmm.
arrays, so we have to make defensively copy.
Okay.
For example, the mutable, I mean, we have a constructor, right? We have a
Mhm.
getters in a mutable class. So we should not return directly. We should return the copy
Mhm.
of that list or array list. And hence it will become a purely immutable classes.
Immutable class.
Otherwise it will not be a truly immutable class because anyone can change it. If we are written the
Mhm.
same things
Okay.
after getting, like we can do a dot getter dot add in the list if we are trying to add. So anyone can
Okay.
modify.
Okay.
So that's why we
Okay.
should return defensively copy
Defensible.
of
Mhm.
that
Okay.
list of mutable object. Okay. Hey guys, I want to share something important with you. Actually, Nitish prepared from our interpretation kit and cracked multiple interviews. We have also referred him to the multiple companies. So let me tell you, this interpretation kit has four main parts. First is complete interpretation material. It is a step-by-step material made by me, expert and MNC's interviewers. 99% of the questions asked in interviews are covered in it. Second is two real enterprise client projects. Code and video recorded sessions are there in this part, and you can add this in your resume. Third is lifetime chat supports. Here you can ask your doubts anytime. Fourth is referral support. Here we help you to get referred to the top MNCs. So basically the material is organized as per your experience level and covers Java, Spring Boot, Spring Security, Spring Data, JPA, Kafka, microservices, Maven, Git coding questions, Stream API coding questions, and many more. You can buy just the complete interpretation material or the full kit with project supports and referrals. I have added the links in the description below. So now moving to our interview. And guys, before moving to our interview, I would like to know the true feedback of this interview preparation kit from Nitish, since he has already purchased and I think has a good experience. So Nitish, can you please share?
Yeah, so yes, definitely help me, guys. So I definitely recommend to everyone. So it has a structured format of all the required
Uh-huh.
Java topics that will be covered in the interview. So it definitely
Mm.
helped me. I would recommend definitely recommend to everyone.
Okay, okay. Yeah, thank you. So now moving to our interview. So Nitish,
Yes.
can a constructor be final and static?
No, no, actually it can't be because actually constructors are made for the object creation. So
Mm-hmm.
it can't be static is belongs to a class rate. So
Mm-hmm.
constructors are generally for object creation. So it can't be final and static.
Okay, so as we know, static blocks runs before constructor, right?
Yeah.
Can they replace constructors?
Can they replace constructor? No. No, actually, static when while the class bindings only the static will get run, so it can't replace the constructor. Constructor will only run when the object gets created.
Yes, that's correct.
Yeah.
They cannot replace since static
Yes.
blocks runs once per class load and initialize class level state, whereas
Yeah.
constructor
Okay.
initialize instance level state per object.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Can a constructor return anything?
No, it can't return. It just sets the value using this we can set right that object the state only can return. Yeah.
Correct, correct. What happens if we put a return statement inside a constructor?
It will throw a compile time error. I guess. I haven't tried it anytime. It will throw compile error. I guess it.
Okay. I think we will not see any compilation error, but
Okay.
I mean we can add a return statement, but it will be none of our use.
Okay. Okay.
I mean there is no use of that return.
Okay.
Can constructor be private?
Yes. So actually, this is used in singleton classes, right? If you want to make
Singleton
only one
classes.
instance of a object, so we can make a private constructor and a private instance also. Using a public
Mm-hmm.
getter method for that instance, we can create that singleton
Correct, correct.
object.
As you said, construct a private constructor is used in singleton classes. So is
Mm.
a singleton always created using a private constructor? Is there any
Mm.
other way?
Mm. Not sure, but this is the way I know, like using private constructors and creating the private instance inside the class.
Okay,
I don't know
okay.
any other method. Yeah.
Can we use Java enums instead of private constructors?
Not sure. Not sure about that.
We can use. This
Okay,
is
okay,
another way. Yes.
okay. Thank you.
Okay. Can you tell me what is singleton pattern? I just want to know more on this and like how can we create it?
Yeah. So if you want to only have one instance of a class, you will be
Mm-hmm.
using a object, I mean, singleton class. For example, if you need a DB connection, so you need
Mm-hmm.
only one instance of that class, right? So we can use
Mm-hmm.
this singleton pattern for getting only one instance.
Correct.
Yeah.
Uh, does a singleton violate solid principles?
Think, solid min. Okay. No, not sure.
Okay, okay.
Lit.
Uh, Actually, there is no yes, and I mean, there is no straightforward answer of this question. Yes, sometimes it
Okay.
may violate because it restricts to the tight coupling, and solid
Okay.
principle
Okay.
is against tight coupling, right?
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Is a singleton thread safe in Java by default?
No, actually. So, for example, if there is a singleton class, so number of
Mm-hmm.
threads are going to access this. There
Mm-hmm.
might be a case that it could create number of instances. So
Okay.
we have to use synchronized block for it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Correct. What are the real problems caused by singleton in production?
In production,
Mm-hmm.
maybe, for example, if you want to create some multiple objects, but it's only creating only one instance, there could be a confusion. Not sure.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Maybe a
That's
chance.
correct. Uh,
Okay.
and also, since I already told you it supports a tight coupling, so that may
Coupling.
also
Okay.
cause the issues. Okay, moving ahead. What happens in the hash map internally when you put a key that already exists?
So yeah, so if you put a key which already exists, it actually
Mm-hmm.
compares the hash code. So
Okay.
anyway, the hash code will be same, and
Mm-hmm.
also if it the equals also will be same means the value
Mm-hmm.
of the key will be replaced.
Mm-hmm.
If the equals is not same but the hash code is same means it goes into same bucket, list or tree.
Okay, and if both are same equals and hash code
Yeah, the value of the key will be replaced.
replaced. Okay.
Yes.
When does hashmap converts linked list to tree internally?
So actually, you have, for example, if you're storing multiple keys which have the same hash code, so the
Mm-hmm.
bucket size will be increased, right? So the
Mm-hmm.
lookup time basically will be increased.
Mm-hmm.
So what hash map will do internally is this list will be converted into tree. So tree will be a sorted
Mm-hmm.
order, right? So ultimately the lookup time will be improved.
Mm-hmm. Correct.
Yes.
Why is hashmap not ordered like linked hashmap?
Uh, it's not sure, but I know linked hash map preserves insertion order, but not sure about why it has to.
Mm. Okay. Because hashmap basically organizes entries by hash into buckets for speed,
Okay,
not to preserve insertion order.
okay, okay,
I
okay,
mean, it's a straightforward answer. I mean, it's a rule.
okay,
Hashmap
okay,
provides these things. We can not provide any logic behind this,
okay,
just for speed. Okay.
okay,
Whereas
okay.
linked hashmap maintains doubly linked list for entries in
Double
an insertion.
against. Okay,
Okay.
okay.
So is concurrent hashmap 100% thread safe?
Uh, yeah, so multiple threads can access it without entirely locking the entire hash map. So I think
Mm-hmm.
it's let's say when compared to synchronized hash map.
Okay. That's true. Concurrent hash map is thread safe, but we cannot say it's 100% thread safe because sometimes in a compound operations,
Mm-hmm.
we cannot have atomic uh, properties.
Atomicity. Okay,
Yeah, okay.
okay, okay. Yes,
That's why, I mean, like Java is not 100% object-oriented programming language. Like
yes, yes,
it's
yes.
partially because it has primitive data types and all. Similarly,
Wrapper.
we cannot say like concurrent hash map is 100% thread safe.
Okay.
Okay, so can concurrent hash map guarantee ordering?
No, no, you can't order the guarantee.
Yeah, yeah, that's correct.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so what happens if a thread is computing a value for a key using compute method and another thread tries to read that key?
Okay. I mean, two keys accessing the same compute method,
Yes,
right?
yes, yes.
So I think it will throw race condition, I guess. We have to synchronize that compute method, then only we can use the compute method, right?
Okay, okay. So how can we synchronize?
I mean, that whole compute method should be using synchronized keyword, so
Mm-hmm.
that after accessing the first thread, second thread will be accessing. It will release the first lock and second thread will be accessed.
Okay, okay. Okay. Uh, what's the best way? Using synchronized keyword block or using reentrant lock?
Okay, I'm not sure about reentrant lock actually, so I cannot
Okay.
compare.
Okay, so synchronize, I mean, as you said, by using synchronized keyword block,
Yeah.
we make method thread safe,
Mm.
like it will lock.
Yes.
So what it will do is it will lock entire method. But by using
Okay.
reentrant lock, we can customize a lot of things.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, so moving ahead, Nitish, under heavy traffic, a controller occasionally throw null pointer exception from a
Okay.
fields that's supposed to be auto-wired.
Hmm.
Okay, so what could be the issues? I mean, causes, possible causes.
Like under much traffic, like heavy traffic. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe there could be some reason in auto configuration or any dependency management issues.
Mm-hmm.
I guess so, but not sure.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Field injection is a null because being
Yeah.
not created.
Yeah.
Circular
No such fields.
dependency,
Circular dependency issue also. Yes, is
multiple
correct.
class loaders.
Yes.
Okay.
Mm.
Uh, okay, so Nitish, have you worked in a API where you are uploading files?
Uh, no, but I've heard of like using multi-part file we can upload, but I haven't worked exclusively on it.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so tell me what happens if two beans of the same type exist, but no primary or qualifier notation is used.
So yeah, in this condition, there will be ambiguity for the Spring. So it won't
Mm-hmm.
decide. It can't decide which bean to inject. So it will throw an
Okay,
exception called no such bean found exception.
okay. Yeah, yeah, that's true. It will throw no unique bean definition exception.
Yeah.
Okay, so as we know, we put a component annotation on a class, right? What
Okay.
if you put component annotation on interface instead of a class?
Sorry, could you please repeat a component?
Component annotation. What if you put component annotation on an interface instead of a class?
I think it won't work because that component annotation is perfect for only the class. On the top
Hmm.
of class only you can be so the bean will not get identified by the Spring.
Okay, okay. Yes, that's correct. How does Spring Boot decide which embedded server to use?
Which normally we will get out of the box like Tomcat and Jetty, right? So
Hmm.
we'll be using these servers. If you want any separate server, we can remove that dependency and we can inject another dependency so that that server will be used.
Okay, okay. Have you heard about class path?
Yeah. So yeah, default yes is class path. So
So
in auto
actually,
configuration, it actually searches for dependencies which are in class path, right?
yeah, yeah, that's correct. Okay, so tell me how can you secure endpoints in Spring Boot application?
Yeah, so there are a lot of ways. Actually, there will be a token-based authentication, right, using
Mm-hmm.
JWT. So
Mm-hmm.
whenever a user logs in, so the
Mm-hmm.
token will be created. So in
Okay.
that token, there will be a roles. So
Mm-hmm.
what APIs he can access? Can he access post APIs, get APIs like that? So based on role-based authentication system, we will give the
Mm-hmm.
access for each
Okay.
roles.
Okay. What's the difference between JWT and Auth2?
I think OAuth2 is for single sign-on, right? I guess not sure.
Mm-hmm.
I think it's for single sign-on, and JWT is for like it will use the one-type token, like header, payload, signature will be there in JWT.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. And Auth2 is third-party login system.
Okay, okay, single sign-on. Yeah.
Okay. What's the difference between gateway level auth and service level auth?
Gateway. No, I'm not sure.
Not sure. Like gateway level, there's API gateway. If you have heard about API gateway,
Uh, yeah,
we
yeah.
have
So yeah, mm.
yeah, yeah. Go ahead.
Yeah. Basically, it like routes the endpoints, like
Endpoints.
request. So in
Mm-hmm.
where in which controller you have to search for the endpoints with that way. Yeah. Okay.
So we can authorize gateway as well as the
Okay.
service. It depends. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay. Can you please explain life cycle phases in Maven?
Uh, life cycle. Okay. I mean, I'm not sure about life cycle.
Have you heard about
Uh,
Maven clean, install, compile, test,
yeah,
pack?
yeah, yeah.
So this is a life
Yeah,
cycle, right?
maybe yes, yes. So normally we will use, actually I'm using Gradle only.
Okay,
So
Gradle.
I'm not
Tell
sure.
me the
Yeah.
life cycle of Gradle.
Yeah, whenever we run the application, we'll clean the application first and we
Mm-hmm.
will do some like spotless checks and all. And doing after building, we will push
Mm-hmm.
the code like that.
Okay, okay,
Yeah.
correct. Uh, can you tell me the difference between merge, rebase, and squash in Git?
Uh, Git Git merge. So
Mm-hmm.
actually, if you want to try to merge two branches, for example, if you have a feature branch, you just want
Mm-hmm.
to create a merge request for the main branch. So you can use for this you can use Git merge, and Git rebase is if you want to put all your commits on the top of the main branch, you can use Git rebase. And what is the
Mm-hmm.
third one you said? Git the third commit.
Squash.
I've not haven't heard
Okay,
about this.
let's say you have made two, three commits, and if you want to now, if you want to merge all your, let's say you have created a feature branch from a master and you have done two, three, four commits, right? Now you want to merge
Mm-hmm.
your feature branch into the master, and you don't want to show all three, four commits. Instead, you want to show the only one commit, combined commit. So squash means combining all your four
Okay.
commits into a one commits, and when you are merging it, so it will show only one commit is merging from your feature branch to the master.
Okay.
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 Yep.
Okay. Sure.
Uh, how do you resolve conflicts in your project?
Yeah, so basically, I'll take a pull from the main. So if any
Mm-hmm.
conflicts came, there'll be a parallel screen right in IDE. So
Okay.
we will see like what and all the incoming comments, what and all
Mm-hmm.
outgoing comments. So we will carefully pick each and every one and we'll resolve the conflicts.
Okay. Okay.
That's the main thing. Yeah.
Cool. Cool. Uh, do we have any tools to resolve conflicts? Do you know?
Uh, no, I haven't used any tools. Normally,
Mm.
I'll do conflict resolving.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
Are there any tools, Faizan? Not sure.
Yeah, I think in my last project, I mean 2, 3 years back, we used to resolve conflicts by a tool that it was a tortoise git.
Oh,
So
okay.
yeah, so I mean tortoise git. I mean tools makes our resolving conflicts and all very easy, simple.
Tortoise. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so now Nitish, I'll share coding questions. You have
Okay.
to write,
Good.
right? Are you comfortable
Yes.
in Stream API?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so Nitish, the coding question is you are given a list of integers, right? And
Okay.
you have to print k most frequent elements, and you are given k as well. Okay. Let's say
Okay.
there is a list 111, 223, and k is equal to 2. It means you have to print two most frequent numbers. So in the list, two most frequent numbers are 1 and 2. So you have to print 1 and 2
Hmm.
for this case. Okay.
Okay. Okay. So actually,
Yeah.
I have a doubt here. So
Hmm.
does K mean frequency? Like how frequent you want? Like one to here, one actually coming on three times, right? Two coming
Mm-hmm.
two times. So
Mm-hmm.
like, what is the like condition for the frequency?
Condition for the frequency, I didn't get you.
I mean, you're just asking to return one and two, right?
Mm-hmm.
So does it mean even if it occurs more than once or twice and twice?
Yeah, yeah. Let's say they are double one, double two, and three. So in this case
Okay.
also you have to print one and two. And let's
Okay.
say they
Okay.
are double one, double two, double three. Now
Okay.
three items, three numbers
Okay.
comes with the same frequency. So you
Okay.
have to
It
print.
means at least, yeah, the frequency should be greater than one, correct?
Yes, yes.
Number of times it occurring. Okay, got it.
Mm-hmm.
Got it. I'll just declare it. So I'll use Stream API here.
Okay.
Okay. So first, okay, I'll try to filter here
Mm-hmm.
using a predicate uh, with collections. We have a frequency function here, right? Can use this
Mm-hmm.
and pass the list and the one which you want to know the frequency. So
Mm-hmm.
basically, it should have greater than one. Okay. Okay. And okay, previously we should use distinct also to remove the duplicates.
Okay, why you are removing duplicates?
I mean, yes, I think okay, okay. Already we are filtering, right? Okay, no need. Here we can use limit to. The
Okay.
K will be pring here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and also we have to collect it right to list. Yes, I'll try to run it.
Now print result.
Yeah. Okay, we are having one on one. What's happening here?
Okay, so why it is printing one and one? Because first is checking one. One comes three times greater than one, it will print
Yes,
one.
it will
Then
goes.
again, second one.
Okay.
Hmm.
Yeah, that's why we have to use distinct here. One,
Okay.
two, three.
Yeah, yeah, try with testing.
Even testing?
Because yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
distinct because it will distinct and then it will check nums. Num original will be one 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 two two
yeah,
three.
yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, now it works.
Okay, cool.
Yes, yes.
Now the next question is you are given a list of integers and you have to print the sum of integers by using stream API.
Okay, okay,
Take the same list nums.
okay, sure. So I'll create another list here. Okay, okay. We have to just sum it. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Sum equal to using Stream API. There is a reduce function, right? First, you have to give
Reduce
accumulator
function.
here,
Mm-hmm.
and like the function here, the lambda function. For example, if you are getting A and B, you have to sum it in A plus B.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, I think this is it.
Okay. Yes, that's correct.
Yes. Shall I print it?
So no, no, it's fine. It's correct.
Yeah. Yes, yes.
So next question is you are given two strings. You have to
Okay.
check whether they are palindromic or not
Okay.
by
Okay.
using stream API.
Okay. Stream API. Mhm. Stream. I'll declare a string here.
Mhm.
Okay.
I'll write naman.
Yes,
Input
stream
input
API.
is naman and
Okay. Okay.
output is also naman.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Not sure how to do with stream API.
Yeah, input is
Reverse.
Naman, and you have to check whether this is a palindromic or
Yeah.
not. Cannot we do something like reverse a string inside the stream API and we'll do something like
Okay.
that?
Okay. Okay.
Hmm.
Output. Wildcard first convert this into a stream. Uh, how to convert this as a stream?
Hmm.
Not sure whether.
Okay,
Can I do it
okay.
in manually?
Yeah, yeah, please try.
Well, let's just declare another variable here.
Hmm.
For each char and string, char array.
Hmm.
Or not actually, not for it should not work here. Okay, okay. So result of 0. Okay, we just have declare as empty string. And
Hmm.
so we'll iterate from the back. So n will be appending at the first, and a will be
Hmm.
appending next, like that. So from the
Hmm.
iterating from the back, so it will be formed in the reverse string only.
Okay.
Finally.
But I think, yeah, yeah, it's fine.
Like from ending, we will start
Hmm.
iterating,
Okay,
and it
okay.
should be greater than 0, I minus minus.
Hmm.
It will be iterated from the back.
Okay.
Can you please tell how to do with stream API?
Uh, we have to do with the int stream. We have to reverse a string, something like that. I just forgot. But yeah, there is
Okay.
a way. You can just explore after this call.
Okay, sure, sure.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, okay. Nitish, it's done from my end, and it was a very, very nice interview.